Driving across the Hoover Dam. Doo -doo 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 -doo. Nice purple sweatshirt. Look at that guy. That's big stuffy. I am in the middle of the Hoover Dam. I am right in the middle of the dam right now, driving across the top of it.
The damn dam.
It's damn cool. Alright. Yeah, we just did the full tour, now we're crossing it with the car, and then we're going home.
Then we went off-roading.
I know. It's on your text message I sent to you, but I think 3 o'clock. But I texted you as soon as I knew the exact time, so it's on there. The day before I left. What is he doing? He's driving a train around? How are they doing? Yeah. So, how did the baby shower go?